So after the basic construction, let's just move on further toward the construction of the triangle. So now we are talking about the next topic, which is all about some constructions of triangles. As we all know about some of the congruency criterias of the triangles like SSS, SAS, SAS, and so goes on. So from all these criterias of the triangle, we can say that a triangle is unique if the very first part is two sides and the included angle is given. Further, if three sides are given and two angles and the included side is given, and further in a right triangle hypotenuse and one side is given. So we do know that a triangle is unique in all such cases. So let's just start the construction under which we will construct the triangle if all these situations would be mentioned to us. So let us suppose if I'm talking about the very first construction, which is related with the construction number 1, says we have to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle, and the sum of the other two sides. So let us suppose we have to construct a triangle whose base is given to us and the base angle is known and the sum of the two sides is also known, given to us. So let us suppose, first of all, I'll write it over here that what are the conditions that would be given and what are the conditions that I am supposing over here. So let us suppose the given conditions is given the base as BC. Let us suppose if I am taking the base of the triangle as nothing but the BC with the base angle, given the base as BC, base angle as B, and the sum of two sides as AB plus BC, as AB plus of BC, or let us suppose if I am taking it as AC, because we have taken the base as BC, so AB plus AC, I am taking the sum of the sides as AB plus AC, AB plus AC, sum of the other two sides as AB and AC, because we have already taken the base as BC. So it says we have the base and the sum of the other two sides. So let us suppose if I am considering a triangle ABC and I have already taken the base as BC, so I am talking about the other two sides, that is nothing but AB, and further we have our AC. So further, let us suppose if I am starting with the construction related with such kind of a triangle. First of all, let us suppose I'm taking the base as BC. So my very first step is like I'm taking the base as BC, and further the base angle is as B. So let us suppose the base angle is any angle. So let us suppose I'm constructing the base angle over here as B, which is called as XBC, and further it says we have the sum of the two sides as AB plus AC. So let us suppose if I'm taking the base, or sorry, not the base, if I'm taking the side AB plus AC's measure using the compass, and I'm marking an arc on BX, which is equivalent to AB plus of AC, such that wherever it will intersect the BX, I'm calling that particular point as nothing but D. That particular point as nothing but D. Again, I am joining D and C. I am joining D and C all together such that I'm constructing an angle DC. Further, DCY further, let us suppose I am constructing an angle DCY further. By construction, I am constructing this angle and this angle equivalent to each other. So by construction, this angle is and this angle is nothing but equivalent to each other. And let us suppose CY is intersecting BX. CY is intersecting BX at any particular point. I am calling it as A, and thus this ABC is nothing but the required triangle whose base angle is given to us, whose base is given to us, and the sum of the other two sides are also given to us. So this is nothing but all about the construction of such kind of a triangle. So let's just see what are the steps of constructions that are involved with it. So let's just see the steps of construction. So the steps of construction are like, first one is draw the base BC and at the point B, make an angle XBC equal to the given angle that would be given to us. Cut the line segment BD equal to AB plus AC from the ray BX. Further, join DC, make an angle DCY equal to BDC. So according to the construction, this angle and this angle, both of these angles are actually equal to each other. And further, let CY intersect BX at A. Let CY intersect, CY is intersecting BX at A, and the further step would be like the fifth one. ABC is nothing but the required triangle. So the fifth one, let us suppose I am writing it over here. ABC, triangle ABC is the required one, is the required triangle. So this is nothing but the required triangle. So first of all, as you can see over here, we have this angle is equal to this one. So let us suppose if I'm calling this as angle 1 and I'm calling this one as angle 2. So as you can see, angle 1 is equal to the angle 2. So if angle 1 is equal to the angle 2, it implies that AC should be is equal to AD, because if these two angles are equal to each other in a particular kind of a triangle, that is in the triangle ACD. So if I'm saying in the triangle ACD, if angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by construction, then it means that the corresponding sides or their corresponding side should be is equal to each other. That is AC is nothing but is equal to BD. Now let us suppose I'm using the concept as I'm taking BD, I can write BA first of all. Let us suppose if I'm talking about this BA. So we can write this BA as nothing but is equal to BD minus of AD. We can write this BA as nothing but BD whole minus AD, and further we know that AD is nothing but equivalent to AC. It means that we can write it as AB is equal to BD will remain same as it is. We can write the BD as it is over here. So further we can say this is nothing but BD minus AD. In place of AD we can write AC. Which implies that BD is actually nothing but is equal to AB plus of AC. So hence at the end from this particular result we can say that BD is actually a line segment which is nothing but is equal to the sum of the other two sides of the triangle, which is AB plus of AC, and hence this is nothing but the construction which is related with the construction of a triangle whose base is given, base angle is given, and sum of the other two sides is given. I hope the construction related with this particular construction number 1 is all clear to you.